Hello everyone, this is Devashish Mishra. So today we will discuss the proper definition of power electronics. If someone will ask what is the proper definition of power electronics, how you will explain? Okay, so power electronics combines three words: power, electronics, and control. Power, electronics, and control. Okay, we will go one by one, then after I will tell the proper definition. Very easy definition. Wherever you will tell the proper definition, he will be impressed. Okay, so power stands for the power engineering. Power stands for the power engineering, and it deals with generation, transmission, and distribution of power in high voltage, high current, and high power levels. That is called power. What is called electronics? Electronics stands for the electronics engineering, and it deals with generation, transmission, and distribution of data and signal in low power, low voltage, and low current levels. And control. Control is the major aspect of power electronics. Control is the major aspect of power electronics. And if you will go overall, what is the proper definition of power electronics? You will simply tell control and conversion of electrical power. Control and conversion of electrical power. Or the proper definition of power electronics is, it is the application of electronics principle for the control and conversion of electrical power. Simple definition. You will tell control and conversion of electrical power. Then question arises, what we are controlling in power electronics, what we are controlling and what we are converting. So we are controlling output voltage, output current, then output power. What we are converting? We are converting AC to DC, which is called rectifier. We are converting DC to AC, which is called inverter. We are converting AC to AC, means fixed AC to variable AC. That is called AC voltage regulator, or you can say cycloconverter. Then we are also converting DC to DC, fixed DC to variable DC, which is called chopper circuit. Okay, so this is the proper definition of power electronics. Then we will discuss how we are controlling the output voltage by changing the firing angle. By changing the firing angle, we are controlling the output voltage. If we will increase the firing angle, output voltage will decrease. If we will decrease the firing angle, your output voltage will increase. That means inversely proportional. Firing angle. Firing angle is the angle between the instant the SCR will start conducting. Okay, so I will discuss what is the function of SCR, what is the function of diode in the very next video. So for today, this much we will discuss in next video. Thank you.